Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. 2020 is finally ending, and I really don't want to curse this year anymore because if this year has taken a lot from us, this has also made us realize that we can be happy in limited resources. Like, this is a very small example. Like, I had eaten food from outside, like in the month of February, and till now, since February till now, I have not eaten food from outside, and I'm pretty much happy and alive. So it doesn't matter at all. So this year has taught me a lot. Like, I can be happy in limited resources, and also I can be happy in whatever I have. So no more cursing 2020 because koi nahi. And yeah, so and let's hope 2021 is very good for us. Alright, so today I have with me a sari shaper, and this is how it looks like. This is the Dyna B Slim Neo Sari Shaper, and the company which makes this is the Dynamic Techno Medicals Private Limited, and this is the Kerala based company. The company basically deals with medical supplies which include orthopedic belts and knee braces, knee caps and everything. The company deals with this and also deals with these kind of things. Basically, what is a sari shaper? Sari shaper is a garment which you can wear under your sari or lehenga or any other dress, which is a long dress. You can wear this under your dress. So this will make your the lower half of your body a little contoured. We contour our faces, our nose, our cheeks and all. We contour to get a slim look. So this is basically a contour for the lower half of your body, and this is very lightweight and no folds or bumps visible from over the fabric. No folds or bumps visible. The fabric is very skin friendly, and the fabric is very comfortable. And this has a high waist design, so that will give you a flatter abdomen kind of an illusion. So this retails for 795 rupees, and this is the size small. I have the size small with me. It's mentioned over here. So this is the size small, and basically they size small is for size 36 to 38. I guess it is a size small, and they cater a lot of sizes. Like, if the extreme size is 44 to 49 inches, if you have a hip size of 44 to 49 inches, then also you can try this. That will be XXL. So they cater a lot of sizes. Basically, this will contour the lower half of your body and make you look a little slim. Yeah, how it is, if you can see. The waistband, this is quite sturdy, and this can hold a sari or a lehenga. The sari which I wore today is quite heavy, and that the sari has stonework, and the sari is quite heavy, and I wore it for good 2 to 3 hours, and this didn't budge at all. This was quite comfortable. And this is the front, and the lower half of this is flowy, so you won't be having a problem while walking. You can wear this and walk easily because this side is loose, and only till your thighs this is tight. So this will just give you a nice curvy figure. Okay, this is the back side of this, and the back side already has some kind of you know an impression of hip. I guess you can see the back side has a little contour for hip, if you can see. Right, this has an impression of hips. So I'll show you how this looks after wearing. So as you can see, this gives kind of a slimmer illusion and a flatter abdomen kind of an illusion, you can see. And this kind of makes your body look a little shapely, I guess. Yeah. And the fabric is so comfortable, and you can easily stretch your legs, and also you can walk very properly in this, very easily in this, no such issues. And now I will wear this sari. I'm not very good in wearing a sari. Okay, so yeah, and plus this sari is quite heavy. This is a stonework sari, and this is heavy. And I wore this for good 2 to 3 hours, and this didn't budge at all. So I guess this sari shaper is really good in holding a heavy sari. Yep. Okay. So after wearing, you can see this sari is looking, entire look is looking so sleek and slender, and the body is looking quite shapely, and I personally loved it. I might have worn the sari in a little messy way, but because I don't know how to wear it, but this is how it will look, sleek and slender. So this is quite comfortable. You can easily pull this off for good, I think 7 to 8 hours. This won't make you feel uncomfortable. Just choose the correct size for you. Do not just go for the smallest size, because obviously that should be comfortable for you as well. As I told you that they cater a lot of sizes, so choosing the perfect size for you won't be difficult. And yeah, but yeah, choose the perfect size for you. I chose the small one, so you have to choose it according to your size, because otherwise if you choose a smaller size, that will be uncomfortable for you. So choose properly. Yeah, so that was it. I think this is a great buy. And there are two more colors, which are I think blue and black, but I prefer the skin color one, because skin color will go under almost every dress, so I can wear this. And also, I'll put the link in the description box of this and also of the company. If you're looking for any medical supplies, you can just look into the catalog of this company. Okay, so I guess do give this a try and see whether you like it or not. Yeah, I think you'll like it because this is quite comfortable, and I think you like it. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you next year now. I'll see you guys next time. It's another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all. Wishing you a very happy new year, a very happy 2021. May all your dreams come true and may you get success in whatever you do. And yeah, अब अगले साल मिलते हैं. चलो, bye bye.